Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot to us. In today's video we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, guys. This one should cover the whole generation from year 2006 to 2012. And if your car does not start, okay, it sounds like a bad starter, we'll show you guys which fuses you need to check for your starter. Okay, let's see, you turn the ignition on, you hear the fuel pump buzzing, but you don't hear the starter engaging. Okay, we'll show you what fuses you need to check and what to expect. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. Let me show you now, guys, okay, how the car does not start. Okay, so we're going to go inside. Okay, I need to find the key somewhere. And now, if I turn the ignition on, listen now. Now, if we have somebody to turn the key on and off, okay, and we'll be able to hear the fuel pump, guys, buzzing when we turn the key on and off. So you're going to be able to hear under the rear seat somewhere the pump buzzing. Listen now. Okay, again. So fuel pump is getting juice, guys, but the car is not starting. It sounds like a bad starter, but we will show you guys what to check now and which fuses you need to check for your starter. So guys, a few things that we need to check first. Okay, this fuse right here, this is for the alternator and the starter. If this fuse is bad, okay, your car will not start as well. Now we have a video how to test this one. It's a little bit complicated, but usually, okay, we have insulation on this one. If you don't have the insulation, some models do not. You check it here and here with the voltmeter and see if there is connection. If there is connection, fuse is good. Now, right here in the fuse box, guys, pry that thing forward. Okay, pry it forward. Go down with the cover. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, and now what we'll be looking at now, guys. Okay, let me show you. This fuse right here, it's a 40 amp fuse. Okay, let's come a little bit closer with the camera because you cannot see. Okay, perfect. This fuse right here is the one that deactivates the starter as well. This is for the engine control module. It could be not just starter, it controls quite a few other things as well, and your car will not start. And I usually grab it, guys, pry it a little bit with the screwdriver, but you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to break it. Okay, and pull it out. Now this fuse usually, guys, you can check if it's burned through that window there, but you cannot tell for sure every time. And if you want to buy new fuses, see where we buy them from. Check it out, guys. It will be listed and you can find the link in the description of the video below. So I'll go ahead and use a voltmeter to test this one to make sure that it's bad. Now, that if you're guys on the market for a voltmeter, check this thing out. We'll have the link in the description of the video. It's amazing meter. Okay, it has the true RMS 2000 counts. It's amazing meter, guys, very accurate. So if we test that fuse now with the meter, okay, we should get, guys, 0 if the fuse is good. Ours is not. So I'll go ahead, grab a new one, and now let's check it one more time, the second one. And this is, guys, a good fuse. You can see it shows zeros. So that's one of the fuses that could sound like a bad starter. Another fuse, guys, okay, in your fuse box cover, always check the one that says ECM, engine computer, ignition key, or anything like that, guys. Anything that's like that, check it to make sure that it's good. Just usually it will be one of the bigger fuses that will control the starter as well. I'll go ahead, close it now, and stay with us to see if this car is going to start now. We hope it does. So I'm going inside now and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, car fired up with no problem. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.